is Joffen, and this is my YouTube channel, World of Joffen.
Those brown eyes, it took my heart by surprise. Could this be real? Because I dreamt you, a chapter that I turned. Too good to be true was the way you made me feel. It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Nah, I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. I knew you lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. And I would never, yeah. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, and comment.
Put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you.